Ever wondered why you often feel bloated or experience discomfort due to gas? This is a common problem faced by many, and today we will explore some remedies to help alleviate these symptoms. Firstly, burping can provide quick relief. It helps to release the gas and relieve the discomfort. Secondly, passing stool is another effective way to eliminate excess gas from your body. Regular bowel movements can help reduce bloating and discomfort. Thirdly, walking can be beneficial. A simple walk after your meal can aid digestion and reduce the accumulation of gas. Fourthly, massaging your abdomen in a circular motion can help stimulate the movement of gas through your digestive system, relieving bloating and pain. Fifthly, clove oil has antispasmodic properties that can help in reducing stomach discomfort due to excess gas. Sixthly, a heat compress can help soothe the pain and discomfort caused by gas and bloating. Seventhly, a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar can help soothe your stomach and reduce gas. Finally, try baking soda. It acts as an antacid and helps to neutralize stomach acid, providing relief from gas and bloating. In addition to these remedies, some lifestyle changes can also help. Limit your sodium intake, eat slowly, chew your food properly, and stay hydrated. Consuming a decoction of carom seeds, fennel, and cumin half an hour after meals can help in digestion and prevent gas formation. Various foods can also help in reducing gas formation. Yogurt, ginger, bananas, cucumbers, and lemons are some of these beneficial foods. In Ayurveda, carom seeds, cumin water, asafoetida, ginger, and lemon juice with baking soda are considered good remedies for gas. To summarize, to relieve gas and bloating, you can burp, pass stool, walk, massage your abdomen, use clove oil, apply a heat compress, consume a mixture of water and apple cider vinegar, and try baking soda. Also consider making lifestyle changes and including certain beneficial foods in your diet. Remember, everyone is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's always best to try different methods and see what works best for you. In case of severe or persistent symptoms, do not hesitate to seek medical advice. So next time you feel bloated or uncomfortable due to gas, remember these steps and give them a try. Your comfort and well-being are in your hands. Stay healthy and keep smiling.